So for this video, I want to show you guys how I prep my extensions before I put them in my client's head. It doesn't matter what extensions that you're using, they should always be prepped before we put them in our client's head, whether we're coloring them or not. So for the Luxe layer, what I like to do is make it a little bath, because who doesn't love a spa day? Even our hair extensions want a warm, nice bath, right? So you will see that I am dunking it and making sure it's completely coated, but you will never see me scrub the extensions. So I want to be as gentle as possible when I am prepping them. So after I prep them, I usually leave them in the bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. And honestly, it depends on how much time I have, but 10 to 15 is usually my rule of thumb. So after I give them their little bath, they've had their little bath, then I am going to color them, or if I'm not coloring, I'm going to condition. So for this video, I actually ended up coloring them, which you'll see in a little bit. When I'm rinsing the shampoo out, I always go in a downward motion and I'm just squeegeeing the water out. So again, I'm never scrubbing, we're just doing a little squeegee motion. So because the Luxe layer, right, there's a little bit more hair, I actually use the side of my bowl to help me make sure I get all of that shampoo out. So you'll see that I'm working it back and forth and just kind of bringing it all down. Doing it this way will also help so you don't get tangles and have to worry about them later. I made this part a little longer than I thought. I've run out of words. So you see, just squeegee, and then I'm just squeegeeing and kind of squishing down, never rubbing. So when I condition, I actually do the same thing as the bath, where I will fill it up and I will put my conditioner in the bath instead of trying to put it on the extensions. I have found I just feel like I get better coating when I do it this way. Like everything feels conditioned instead of like I may have missed a spot trying to rub it into the extensions. So same thing, dip and squeegee, dip and squeegee. And then because I did color these ones, I will rinse them until the water is clear. So here you see me dip and squeegeeing, really making sure they're coated. You can see the color coming off. And then for this one I did, I think, three rinses. And that is how you prep your extensions for your clients. So again, if I am not coloring them, I'm going to do my bath, and then I'm going to do my conditioning bath and then blow dry them. If I'm coloring them, I'm going to do my shampoo bath, I'm going to color them, and then I'm going to do my conditioning bath. I forgot, make sure nothing's in your lace. So that lace piece, you saw me just pressing on it to make sure there was no color in there. And then you're good to go. Easy peasy. And it doesn't take too much time.